I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering on switch 2 and opening system settings immediately. This ensures the console is ready to accept new controllers. Once done, go to Controllers and Sensors and select Change Grip/Order to enter pairing mode. Make sure the controller is charged over 20% so it won't drop during pairing, and remove any phone cases or Bluetooth adapters that could interfere. This gets both devices into their discoverable states, so discovery and syncing can proceed reliably. Now pair the controller. Press and hold the small sync button on the controller for about 3 to 5 seconds until its LED starts blinking. This indicates it's advertising itself. Meanwhile, watch the Switch 2 screen. It will show a new controller detected or list a blinking icon. If you have trouble, plug a USB-C cable from the controller into the dock or console to force recognition. Then select Pair on screen to convert that wired connection to wireless later. Finish by confirming the controller shows as an assigned player and run a quick calibration or input test in Controllers and Sensors to verify buttons and sticks. If the LED keeps blinking and Switch 2 never lists the device, restart the console and try the sync sequence again. Intermittent wireless issues often clear with a reboot. As a last resort, perform a controller reset using the tiny reset button. Then repeat pairing. This clears stubborn pairing records and usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.